Is the button on your Raynor garage door opener flashing, leaving you wondering what's wrong? Let's take a quick look at some common causes and how to resolve them. One possible reason could be a low or dead battery in your remote. Try replacing the battery and see if that stops the flashing. Another common cause is misaligned safety sensors. These are located near the base of your garage door. If the sensors are blocked or not aligned, the button will flash. Make sure nothing is obstructing them and adjust if necessary. Sometimes a flashing button indicates an error. Your Raynor garage door opener may be trying to tell you there's a bigger issue, such as a jam door or a need for maintenance. Check your manual for specific codes and solutions. If you've recently experienced a power outage or interruption, the flashing might be a result of that. Try resetting your garage door opener to see if that resolves the issue. In most cases, these simple fixes will stop the flashing button and get your Raynor garage door opener back on track. If the problem persists, you may need to call a professional for further assistance.